Hello! In this video, we will go over how to use our message calendar. The first thing you see when you access the message feature is this calendar view. The message calendar allows you to view a monthly or weekly record of the messages you have sent using our service. The monthly view displays the total amount of successful, unsuccessful, and in-progress messages. You can click on a day of the calendar to view the messages sent on that day. The right side of the screen will show a summary of each message and displays the description, send time, and status of the message. Clicking on a message allows you to view a more detailed report of the selected message. This page also allows you to forward the message and send it again. Click on the arrow on the top left-hand corner of the screen to go back to the calendar view. You can view the reports of different time periods by clicking on the month or year button and selecting the month and year you wish to view. Click on Today to go back to today's month and year. You can view a weekly report by clicking on Week. This view is split up by week, day, and hour. The column on the left dictates what week of the month you are viewing. The dates and days of the week are labeled on the top of each column. You can scroll up or down on this page to view any messages sent earlier or later in the day. Just like in the monthly view, you can click on a message to view the report for that message. Additionally, clicking on Today will bring you back to today's date. You can also click All to see a list of all messages that have been sent. This page will display the description, send time, status, and content of each message. There are 3 different message statuses: successful, in progress, and unsuccessful. The successful status means that the message was successfully sent. In progress means the message is still currently sending. Unsuccessful means the message failed to send. There are also 3 different types of messages: blast, automated, and API. A message blast is a message that was sent out through the user interface. An automated message is a message that goes out automatically on a recurring basis. And API is a message that was sent out through the API. You can click on the magnifying glass icon to search for a message. And that's how you use our message calendar. Thanks for watching and have a lovely day.